What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Devin's Garage. Behind me is my beautiful M4 and it's 12 o'clock noon. Yet again, we film at this lovely, no contrast, horrible, harsh lighting time of the day. And it's really hard now because I have a white car behind me. So it's either I put you guys dark enough to see the car nice, but then it's just the exposure sucks for doing this at this time of the day. I have so much going on for this car in the month that we're in right now of July 2022 for documentation that I have to get a video what it looks like right now. And I finally cleaned it again and it's like gets bugs by like the 5th mile I drive. So I wanted to like get it as most bug free as I can for you guys to kind of get a look of it pretty much stock, other than literally window tint and some the mud. I don't have no mud flaps on this thing. The exhaust flap mod where I just have them wide open so that we can hear a little bit of sound. Other than that though, this car is stock, all right, like stock. It has 15,000 miles on it. I got it with 12,000 miles. It's a 6-speed manual and it's a 2019. It's Alpine white. It's got the 513Ms in 18-inch, which I'm not a big fan of 18s. The wheels look really cool. I like them. I like the tires on them. It's got the Michelin Super Sports. I'm just not a fan of 18s. They just seem very small to me for this car. A lot of people run 20s on this car. I'm actually picking up, there's a car behind me. Dang it, man. It's a Friday at noon. Who's not working right now? People. I will show you some of the interior, even though it's a little dusty. I did not clean it too much, and look, it's still on. Here we have the carbon fiber trim. It's very cool. A real man's transmission right there. Freaking amazing. You gotta have your Pina or Caribbean Colada air freshener. Every vehicle since my Challenger has had this. Been a lot of vehicles. Yeah, man, it's really cool. I do have tint all around. I'm not gonna emphasize on things on that. Weirdest thing to me, guys, you know, you have your typical BMW knob right here, and that's still touchscreen, but it's such an awkward position, like to reach way up there, that I never use the touchscreen. Another cool thing, this AC, I don't know if anybody here has had an actual BMW. I mean, even back to my E92 days. Yeah, about basically just my E92. Actually, no, my two 540s had the same thing. The AC systems are killer when they are working, meaning that I just did my temperature reading on this and I was getting a freaking 27 degrees out. You could breathe right here and it'll show your breath, like as if it's winter. We are now back. Oh no, there's a car there again. Damn, dude. Oh my goodness, there's so many cars. It does have the LCI headlights, thank goodness, the BMW LEDs. We can talk more about this car. Everyone's watching me like I'm a weirdo, wondering why I'm up here. Because people do weird stuff up here, man. But the car looks sweet. I like it. That was really bright and really warm. The car's reading 92 degrees. Luckily, on the inside, I now got my freezing 27-degree air blowing at me. What made me go M4? When I've had two E92 M3s. The last BMW I had before this was actually an M240i, a 2017, with the just regular 8-speed automatic. Really fun car, and it was an X-Drive, but it's just small for me, and it's not an M. I sound like one of those guys. It's not an M. It's not the Turdu BMW. No, it was a fun car, and I bet an M2 would be really fun because of how small it is, having the same motor that I have in this car. I really prefer a V8, but I got this car because it's just so much more dailyable and more modernized, and I feel like the outside just looks so killer. And the interior, like it's just such an upgrade. I've had a lot of E92 vehicles and everything before that, so being able to like upgrade to the newer was cool. And then I've had a 335 in the E92. I had a lot of two-door E90 vehicle, E9X platform vehicles. Anyway, and so I'm not new to boost. I've had Subarus, you know, WRXs, STIs. Did I have anything else with a boost? Not huge on boost. I'm mostly naturally aspirated V8 kind of guy. I've also had a 350Z. But with this, I was like, you know what? I liked the 335 pull. And I'm not big on tuning and all because I like reliability and I like making things last. I like to treat things like children, like meaning I treat my cars like kids, as in I take utmost care for them. I've always wanted an M4. I was always like, man, one day I'm gonna be able to get an M4, even though it just seemed impossible. I'm like, how am I gonna do that? And then this one came up and I was able to do it, and I feel like I could grow into driving the G82, but it's not BMW to me, you know? Like the front end, I'm just gonna stop there. People say that since the E46, BMW hasn't been the same. I still enjoy, I mean, I still got kidney grills that are normal-ish, sort of. So I still enjoy those. I still enjoy what the car has to offer. I have been enjoying driving it around. I know that going bigger wheels, it's gonna feel different. Before this car, I've not driven an M4 or an M3 from the F chassis. So I don't know what to expect yet, but I am picking up wheels today. And I'm picking up stuff tomorrow, and I have stuff coming in the mail a week after that. And then another 3 days, more stuff in the mail. And then so by the end of July, this car will be fully transformed. Just empty every pocket. It's like, this thing's like a Jeep. I wanted to give you guys a quick video and walk around of what the car looks like now to document it. And a huge shout out to my buddy Ken over at New Century BMW out in Alhambra, California. If you guys go out here to buy a car, please go and hit up my buddy Ken. Ken, you did a solid for me on this car. We were friends, and then when I saw the car was at his dealership, I was like, yes, this is even better. We were friends, now we're even closer friends. You imagine, like, we were friends, now we're not. It's like, why? What went wrong? This camera hurts to hold up for so long. I hope you guys enjoyed this very short video of the walk around of my M4. I'm sorry, I don't like videoing or filming or taking pictures of. Videoing and filming is the same thing. I don't like taking photos or filming a stock vehicle because I feel like it's just anything you could go see and film anywhere, even at your local dealership. So I don't make too many videos when they are stock, but then I also forget to make videos when they are not. I will be doing a reveal of this car, and I will be filming everything that I do to this car. So I have a lot of filming to do, I have a lot of work to do, and I'm gonna be anxious and not wanting to be patient on doing everything. So we're gonna see how well I can discipline myself into actually creating good content for you guys and not just rushing through it to get my car done. So that's gonna be my biggest thing. Thank God I got 3-day weekends. It's summertime, let's get this car done. For stage one, not performance stage one, just looks, cosmetics stage one of how I want this thing to look for now. I plan to keep this car. I see that all the time, and I sell all the cars. See you guys! Hey guys, welcome back. It is I need to stop. I gotta redo that. Welcome back to Devin's Garage. I'm gonna try to keep this mood